Hey everyone, my favorite way to use Chase Sapphire Preferred points is definitely to transfer them to Southwest Airlines because you get more value out of them than if you use them in the Chase travel portal. So when you transfer them to Southwest points are worth about 1.5 to 2 cents each. And if you just use your points in the Chase travel portal, they're only worth 1.25 cents each. And then if you have the Southwest Companion Pass, like my family always does, and like we teach you how to always easily have one inside the family's Fly Free membership, those are going to be worth double that. So you're going to end up with 3 to 4 cents in value out of that point. Or basically, you can look at it as for every point you transfer to Southwest, you can bring one person with you free on that point if you have the Companion Pass. So this is how I like to use my Chase Ultimate Rewards points, is to boost up our Southwest points balance so my family can take more free flights.